Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So summer is just around the corner. Let me show you guys how you can make a versatile dress with a scarf. So the first thing is just to fold the scarf in two, and then from the middle point of that scarf you can cut out the pieces you need for the strap. Now that the strap is ready, we are just going to fold the top of both part of this scarf and then create a channel where the strap will go through. So this is what I'm sewing now. Next is to sew both sides. So I'm going to create an opening 10 inches from the top, then sew down and leave like 6 inches at the down part. So the 10 inches at the top is the arm hole. So it's very important to leave at least 10 inches. Now I'm just going to put in the strap through the channel that we created earlier. So we're going to do it from right to left and from left to right. This will make it easy to draw on your own whenever you want to put it on. Okay, come close guys. You can actually style this outfit as a dress, as a top, as a skirt, all kinds of design you can ever imagine, bubble skirt and so on. So you just have to create this. It's so fun. Now see how easy it is to draw. Just draw, pull it like this and you are good to go. It's so easy. So next I'm going to show you the different way you can style it. There are multiple ways, but these are the ones I just could come up with on a short notice. 4 weeks postpartum, so yeah, I'm still on a relaxing mode. That's why I've been MIA, but I'm back and I can't wait to see you guys or show you guys more ideas. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe before you leave. Thanks so much for watching. Till my next video. So keep enjoying the different style.